Hi guys, I am going to show you how to remove image background using Adobe Photoshop CC latest version. Let's start with a simple image like this. I have opened this basketball image because it is easy to remove as a starter using Adobe Photoshop, and let's see the steps we are going to follow. First thing, let's right click on the layer and select duplicate layer. You can give a specific name to the duplicate layer. Then we hidden the original image. After that we go to toolbar and click on magic wand tool. You can press W key in the keyboard as a shortcut. After selecting the tool, we come to the green area in the image and click on that area. You will see the green area has selected properly. After that we can press delete key. Now you see the green area is removed and you can still see the selection area. Then we press Ctrl and D to deselect the area. After that we can go to file, export, save for web legacy. Shortcut keys are Alt, Shift, Ctrl and S. Then if you want a transparent background image, we can select PNG24. Make sure you to mark transparent tick is on. Then save. We can give name. Then save the image. So we can see edited image here. Thank you.